Samantha Shore will be my first graduate student. Her excellent character and unsurmountable curiosity will help her integrate her passion of product development and engineering education. Boise State helped Samantha to achieve her dreams of becoming both a mechanical engineer and an educator. Beginning as a learning assistant during her freshman year, she spent the following 2 years working to empower students in their educational pursuits. She has since been able to transition into opportunities as an undergraduate research assistant to analyze engineering education techniques and to uncover what students find beneficial in their learning experiences. She published 3 research articles related to engineering education and is currently working on 2 more. Her research has been presented at local, regional, and at national conferences. Boise State University enhanced her leadership skills through the Society of Women Engineers, the Student Advisory Board for the Mechanical and Biomedical Engineering Department, the Peer Ambassador Program, and the Learning Assistant Program. The Honors College provided her with an opportunity to travel abroad and study a topic beyond her STEM major, which also provided her with a global perspective. Exercising her civic responsibility has helped her to recruit kids into STEM, build modified power cars for children with cerebral palsy, and empower females to pursue STEM careers. Research like Herc Fellowship and academic scholarships from generous donors served as a catalyst for her to navigate the higher education landscape. Boise State University expanded her ability to think outside the boundaries of a single field. Know more, do more, become more. Her journey at Boise State will continue to further amplify her purpose in service to our students and community, creating more inclusive and diverse opportunities for all.